Welcome to Hope and Daisy's faith-based guided meditation. If you're enjoying this, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Before starting this meditation, please make sure you have consulted your doctor and are able to perform the exercise. Welcome to this guided meditation for overcoming nervousness by Lisa. Today we're going to work on being calm and soothing our nervous energy. We will begin as you are today. If you are seated, that is okay. If you are lying down, that is good too. Make yourself comfortable, and once you feel settled, gently allow your eyes to close. Let us begin by becoming an observer of your breath, your body, your mind, and your energy, without doing anything to change or to control, simply watching and witnessing. There is no place to reach, no goal to accomplish. All you are doing is being with yourself. Notice your breath. Notice how it feels as you inhale, and notice how it feels as you exhale. You can even say this to yourself in your mind. As you breathe in, saying, "I am breathing in." And as you breathe out, saying, "I am breathing out." You can add a smile on your exhale if you want. Again, breathing in, saying, "I am breathing in." And then breathing out. Just letting the breath do its work, do its magic, as it nourishes you and provides for you. Once again, as you breathe in, saying, "I am breathing in." And as you breathe out, saying, "I am breathing out." And then moving your attention to your body, noticing how your body feels as you move your awareness to your body. You might notice some parts that are feeling tense or tight or even sore. Allow these parts to relax. Give yourself permission. Send your breath to these parts now so they can let go of whatever they are holding. With each breath in, softening them, and with each breath out, releasing what's stuck. Notice how your body is becoming more and more relaxed, more and more at ease, as you sink deeper and deeper into the earth. And now bringing awareness to your mind, noticing how the mind is today, noticing its workings, allowing everything it wants to say to be there, not pushing away, not judging, not wanting it to be any different from what it is, just letting the mind do its work. With you being there, sitting, watching, allowing, and surrendering. And while you become friends with your mind, taking a moment to notice how you feel, getting in touch with the energy that surrounds you, noticing if the energy is restless or anxious or nervous. And if it is, smiling into that energy, into that feeling, and embracing it, not pushing it away, instead acknowledging it as part of you. Giving that energy something to hold on to, saying to that energy, I am capable of taking care of myself. I am capable of facing this day. And once again, with deep love and compassion for that energy, for that feeling, saying to it, I am capable of taking care of myself. I am capable of facing this day. And just breathe here for a few moments. And one last time, breathing into that energy, into that feeling, taking a deep breath in and saying, I am capable of taking care of myself. I am capable of facing this day. Holding the breath for just a few moments and letting it all go with a sigh. Returning now to the natural rhythm of your breath and feeling a deep sense of calm take over you, where you feel connected to your whole being, where you love your whole being, and where you can say to yourself that all is well in the world, that all is well in your world, and you are there for yourself. Whatever you are experiencing, have been experiencing, that too shall pass. And with this belief, holding that belief close to you, close to your heart, you are ready to embrace this day. Whatever this day may bring, you are there for yourself. And taking one last deep breath in, hold, and as you breathe out, you let go of the last bits of worries of the day. Smiling to yourself, gently opening your eyes, feeling gratitude for yourself and for giving yourself this time today. Thank you for being here today. Be blessed.